The hardworking farmer. 200 easy English sentences. Once there was a farmer. His name was Ramu. He lived in a small village. He had a small house. He lived with his wife and 2 children. Ramu was a kind man. He was also very honest. Every day he woke up early. He got up before sunrise. He washed his face. He prayed for a good day. He ate a simple breakfast. Then he went to the field. He worked hard on the land. He used a plow. He had a pair of oxen. He loved his oxen very much. He talked to them. They listened to him. He watered the crops. He pulled out weeds. He cleaned the field. He never got tired. He worked under the hot sun. He worked even in the rain. He smiled while working. He believed in hard work. He grew rice and vegetables. His farm was green and neat. Birds sang in the trees nearby. Butterflies flew over flowers. Ramu loved nature. He never hurt animals. He saved water. He used natural fertilizer. He respected the earth. Every evening he returned home. His children ran to him. His wife gave him food. They ate together. They talked and laughed. Ramu told stories to his kids. They listened with joy. He taught them good values. He said, "Be honest and kind. Never cheat anyone. Work hard always." One year, there was no rain. The sky stayed dry. The crops dried up. Ramu looked at the sky. He said, "Please send rain." But the rain didn't come. Ramu didn't lose hope. He used water from a well. He worked twice as hard. His family helped him. They all worked together. Still, the harvest was small. They had little food. The village was sad. Many farmers gave up. Some sold their land. Some left the village. But Ramu stayed. He said, "We will not give up. Good days will come again." He repaired his tools. He cleaned his barn. He planted again. He used seeds he saved. He prayed every day. One night, clouds came. Lightning flashed. It began to rain. The dry earth drank the water. Ramu smiled with joy. The whole village was happy. The fields turned green. Flowers bloomed again. Crops grew fast. Ramu's hard work paid off. He got a good harvest. He filled his barn. He shared some food with neighbors. He gave vegetables to the poor. Everyone praised him. They called him the hopeful farmer. Ramu stayed humble. He thanked God. He saved some money. He repaired his house. He bought books for his children. He planted trees near the house. Birds made nests in them. Ramu taught his children farming. They followed his steps. Ramu taught them to love the land. "This land feeds us," he said. "We must take care of it." Every season brought new work. In spring, he planted seeds. In summer, he watered them. In monsoon, he cleaned the field. In winter, he harvested crops. His days were full, but he never complained. One day, a stranger came. He said, I want to buy your land. He offered a lot of money. Ramu said no. This land is not for sale, he said. It is my life. The man left. Ramu's wife was proud. His children were happy. They loved their home. One day, Ramu saw a sick bird. He picked it up. He gave it food. He kept it in a box. He took care of it. The bird got better. It flew away happily. The children clapped. Ramu said, "Be kind to all. Even small creatures need love." He built a small pond. Ducks came to swim. Frogs sang at night. Fireflies danced in the dark. Ramu's farm was full of life. Visitors came to see it. They asked, "What is your secret?" Ramu said, "Love and hard work, and never giving up." The visitors took photos. Some wanted to learn farming. Ramu agreed to teach them. He became a teacher. He showed how to grow crops. He showed how to save water. He showed how to be patient. He became famous. A reporter came to interview him. Ramu sat under a tree. He wore simple clothes. He said, "Nature is my boss. I just follow her rules." His photo came in the newspaper. The headline was "The Farmer of Hope." Ramu's village became known. People visited to learn. Ramu welcomed all. He served them food. He gave them seeds. He said, "Grow food, not greed." His words touched hearts. Children painted pictures of him. They wrote poems about him. His life was simple, but full of meaning. He woke up happy. He slept peacefully. One day, a big storm came. Trees fell. Houses broke. Crops were damaged. But Ramu didn't cry. He helped others. He fixed broken homes. He gave food to the needy. He said, "We will rebuild." Everyone joined him. Together they made the village strong again. Ramu became a true leader. He never wore a suit, but his heart was golden. He was loved by all. His children grew up well. They studied hard. One became a teacher. One became a doctor. But they never forgot the farm. They visited Ramu often. He hugged them with pride. He showed them the crops. He said, "Hard work is the best teacher." One evening, he sat under a tree. He looked at the sunset. He smiled. His wife sat beside him. The birds sang softly. The sky turned golden. Ramu closed his eyes. He felt peace. His story was one of love. Love for land, love for family, and love for life.